Hey everyone, Sky here with BigBattery, and I just have one question for you. Are you ready for a battery that soars past the competition and flies across the golf course with ease? Then get ready for BigBattery's flagship 48-volt golf cart solution. Meet the Eagle. When it comes to elevating your cart's performance, this 1.53 kWh LiFePO4 battery is unmatched, increasing acceleration and providing top speeds and ranges you never thought possible. The 48-volt Eagle was designed to be a compact yet energy-dense upgrade that leaves lead-acid batteries like the T105 in the dust. With 2, 3, or 4 Eagles, you're guaranteed to increase capacity in your cart while saving space in your battery tray. This change drastically reduces weight while multiplying power to your cart. But that's not all. Our Eagle kits also include a digital capacity meter that can be installed directly into your dashboard, so checking your battery's capacity levels is as easy as a glance. And as always, it requires zero maintenance, it's easily installed, it's made right here in the US, and it's guaranteed to be the lowest cost battery in its class available today. So if you're ready to take your golf cart to the next level, check out the Eagle kits at the link in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome content and visit us online at bigbattery.com to learn more about our energy solutions.